Hello there, Cosmic Jeweler, doing the Chronicles. My house is my kitchen sinking from water damage in the past. You can see the outlet is all the way down there, but everything sinking, and was I got no water in my house right now at all. So my niece's husband to such a I take a video of what's coming on with a water meter. Now the servicemen are going to been called about this, and I talked to somebody yesterday. He came out from the motor company and told me, you're gonna have a crew come out to dig up this problem. The stems from some type of part of ride down in the motor meter that's not working. Now when the guy came out, it must be something. The water from the water meter was coming out of the water meter. There comes coming out of the water meter. I'm running down the road towards what's called a splish splash down there that built the house of water. So this my problem is with the water. I got no water now. I got water jugs stored with water from the past for emergency purposes, but that's running low right now. So I need to get this fixed. You probably gotta take up the whole yard and get to the problem with a water meter, but am I supposed to pay a high water bill? I paid last month. I paid May 18th. I paid $154.70 for the water bill. When all these has been for every quarter, so I spent like $18, $19 for the whole bill. Now all of a sudden there's no sewage down this road I live in. I see a couple robins here. playing in the water. They're using the water. Love wildlife. They're using the water for their home bird bath. Anyway, I'll have much room on this camera to do this guy with a flat tire. I knew that sound. Take care. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment or like if you like my videos. Take care. Peace.